Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to install WordPress 5, the new version of WordPress. So let's start. Friends, to install WordPress 5 you need to have a setup. For that purpose you need to click on this link and download WordPress 5. Click WordPress 5 button. I have already a setup in my computer, so I will extract it here. Wait a minute until the setup will install. Now you need to click the extracted file and copy all these WordPress files. Select all and click copy. Now go to your htaccess.xampp file and paste all these files. Here is htdocs folder and create a new folder which will be used as a WordPress project. I will name WordPress 5 to my WordPress project. Paste all these files here. As you can see that all these files are pasted here. Now you need to create a database for our project. So go to localhost phpMyAdmin. Create a database for your project. Without a database, WordPress project is not working. So click on new button and create a database. I will type WordPress 5 and click create button. So as you can see that our database is created. Now we will use this database in our WordPress project. So go to your browser and type localhost /your project to install a WordPress on your project. As you can see that setup is starting. You need to click on continue button to start our setup. Let's go button. So in database name, type your database name. Now type your username as root, password blank and click submit button. Now click run the installation. Click on site title and I will type WordPress 5 and now username and password are the area in which you need to log into your website. So I will name as admin, username and password 1235 and click install WordPress. After a little time you will see a login button. Now your site is successfully created. Now click login to type your username and password here, admin and 123. Click login button. Now congratulations, your site is created and you are logging in your site dashboard. These are the menus of your WordPress website. Now visit your site. This is your site. So I wish that you will like this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to receive new updates from my channel. Thanks for watching.